In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in ClickUp. Merging tasks is really helpful when you realize you've created duplicates, or when two people on your team have made separate tasks for the same piece of work. Instead of juggling multiple cards, comments, and assignees, you can bring everything together into one clean, central task. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do a simple, single-task merge, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so you feel confident using this feature. First, open ClickUp and navigate to the task that you want to keep as your main task. This is important. You're not just opening any of the duplicates, you're opening the one that will stay after the merge. Think of this as your primary task. Its title, location, and main structure are what you're choosing to preserve. Once you've opened that task, look to the top right corner of the task window. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the ellipsis. This is where ClickUp keeps a lot of advanced options and task settings. Go ahead and click on that 3-dot icon to open the settings menu. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of actions you can take on the task. Look for the option labeled Merge. Depending on your workspace setup or any recent interface updates, it might be grouped with other advanced actions, but it should still be clearly labeled. Click on Merge to start the merging process. After you select Merge, ClickUp will prompt you to choose another task to merge into this primary one. This second task is the one that will be combined and then essentially absorbed into the first. Any relevant information, like comments, attachments, and other details, will typically be pulled into the primary task so you don't lose context or history. Use the search field or the task list that appears to find the duplicate or related task you want to merge. Take a moment here to double-check you've picked the correct one, especially in busy workspaces where tasks may have similar names. When you're sure, select that task. Once you confirm, ClickUp will handle the merge and keep you on the primary task. From here, it's a good idea to quickly review the merged task, scan through the comments, check any attachments or custom fields, and update the task name or description if needed, so everything is clear for you and your team.